Hi, my name is Marcy, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a tutorial on your testosterone injection. We'll start with the intramuscular testosterone injection. Very simple. You've got your vial of testosterone, you have your syringe, and you have 2 needles, okay? First thing you want to do is clean the top of the vial with alcohol. You're going to take your syringe, open it. First one you want to use is the pink needle. The pink needle is designed for draw out only. You'll go ahead and take your vial of testosterone, insert your pink needle, hold upside down, and draw out your dose. Most people do 1 cc, so we're going to pull to the 1 cc. Should look like this. You have a top bevel and a bottom bevel. You want it to line up with the top bevel at the number 1. You will remove the draw out needle and put on the injection needle. Very important to remember to take a look at the hubs. Remember, pink stinks. You don't want to inject yourself with the draw out needle. You want to put on the injection needle. Now we're all ready for an intramuscular injection. So our testosterone injection, intramuscular, is going to go into the glute. Sometimes it's hard to figure out where that might be. If that's the case, you just want to find the top of the tailbone and line up your finger. The injection is going to go in this area. So we want to expose that. Always wipe with alcohol. Fan dry with your hand, never your mouth. We're going to take our testosterone, take the cap off. It's always good to pinch and straight in 90-degree angle. Push in the medication and out and rub. Testosterone injection completed. Hi, we're now going to go ahead and do the subcutaneous testosterone injection. You'll have a syringe and 2 needles just like you do with the intramuscular. So you're going to go ahead and clean the top of your vial with alcohol. You have 2 needles. One is a draw out needle and one is an injection needle. So we're going to take the draw out needle, affix it to our syringe, and draw out the testosterone. For subcutaneous, you typically will be pulling to the number 20 Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So you're going to insert your needle, hold it upside down, and draw to the number 2 on your 1 cc syringe. Exit the vial, remove the draw out needle, and affix the injection needle. Now we're ready for a subcutaneous injection. Those will be given anywhere in the lower abdomen or upper thigh.